Hey everyone, welcome to Sheebas Cookery World. In today's video, let's see how to make restaurant-style grilled fish. You can use any variety of boneless fish to make this recipe. So let's get started. In order to make the grilled fish, I am using Mahi Mahi fish. It is a very tasty fish and has very less bones. So it is generally a fish of choice for most of the 5-star restaurants in their continental or Chinese cuisines. Wash the fish thoroughly and cut it into slices as you see here. You will get around 8 slices from 250 grams of fish fillet. Now let's prepare the marination. Into a bowl, add in some turmeric powder, red chilli powder, some salt as per your taste, fennel powder, and black pepper powder. I use fennel powder in most of my fish recipes because it gives it a nice flavor. Beat an egg and add it to this mixture. Add in some ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Squeeze in half a lemon and mix it. Next, I'm gonna chop some fresh curry leaves. Add in some fine rice powder, the chopped curry leaves, and also some freshly chopped coriander. Add in some vegetable oil and mix everything really well. Now coat the fish slices with this marinade. Once done, refrigerate this for at least 2 hours or overnight. Now the fish is ready to be grilled. Heat a grill pan, drizzle some vegetable oil and let it become hot. You can also use olive oil instead. Now place the fish slices one by one and start cooking it on a low to medium heat. When it becomes crisp and brown, flip the fish and cook it from the other side as well. Once done, remove them from the pan and place it on a kitchen towel. You can grill the remaining fish in this way. I'm gonna serve this grilled fish along with some sauteed vegetables. I have used carrot, onion, tomato and green capsicum. Cut them into long strips and add it to the pan in which you grill the fish. Saute it for a minute or two until it becomes slightly soft. You still need to retain the crunchiness and not overcook them. Once done, you can serve the grilled fish along with these sauteed vegetables. Restaurant style grilled fish is now ready. You can serve this as a starter and it also goes extremely well with rice. And when you actually eat it, you can feel that the fish is so soft from the inside and it has a crispy layer from the outside. So do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.